Let's paint this atmospheric watercolour sunrise. I start with the board inverted. It's set at about 70 degrees, so the wet on wet paint has got lots of room to flow. The ground has been prepared with salt to give it a random texture, so you'll see the patterns emerge as the paper dries. Looks a bit of a mess right now, but don't worry about that. Once the paper's a little drier, add in cloud detail using Payne's Grey. It'll look too dark right now, but it always lightens as it dries. After flipping the board, you can add a bit more detail, and I've added in another wash here just to make the cloud shadows darker. I'm adding in more foliage just to make the ground darker, and then with a rigger brush just adding in wintry branches to complete the scene. And there you go. Hope you found something useful there. Feel free to subscribe for regular watercolour tutorials.